Smile. There we got double. We got 2 greens here. Look. Come. I've done it. I've done it. Oh look, another 150. What number's this one then? Uh, 262. Oh. Ah, you're a bit late, mate. Yeah. Oh, stand there. Go over there. Turn around. Smile. Yeah, that'll do. That'll do. Go on then.
Transport for Wales. Service to...
Oh, there we go. Right. You waving, are you? There we go. The one behind us should be going now. Oh, this one's going next to us as well. He's going left though. Oh, it's a pity they didn't go at the same time. You right? Yeah, you go up there and wave. Go on. It's all right. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Right, we're going to run across now and watch this one go. I would go to the front. You go to the front because it's raining. So I get all my phone wet. What? Is that other train still there? It? What? 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 Oh yeah. Is that other train still there? Is the 150 still there? Is he still there? Oh, there he is. Right, let's go on to 6 then. Let's pause this. Is that Mummy hiding behind the post? Yeah. Right, one more, a couple more then. Watch this one go. We'll watch the West Midlands train go and then we'll go. Let's just zoom in. There we go. What?
It's off the banger.
Is it?
Yeah.
Holyhead it's going down on. Holyhead.
Mom!
Yeah, Mummy will be there in a minute. Mummy's chilling there for us. What was that? I heard a noise. Right, we've got 5 minutes and that West Midland train's going. There we go. Next step is Cabowen. Chirk, Rutherglen, Wrexham, Chester, Flint, Shotton, Prestatyn, Rhyl, Conway, a few more, London Junction, I can't remember the rest. Right, let's go. Hang on. That's where this one's going.
It's got yellow light.
Very spacious. Right, let's walk down to the end and then we'll pause it and then go home. You go down the front and wave to him. Ah, Wellington first. Yeah. Right, I'm only stopping here because of my phone. Yeah, I'm not getting my phone wet. I'm not getting my phone wet. He's not in there, it's a different one. Oh, there we go. Orange and green. Right, you go to the front and start waving then. No, I'm not getting my phone wet. He's going now. Oh, my fingertips are freezing. Ooh. Right, wave. Oh, I heard it. I did hear it. What's wrong with you? It's all that sugar, isn't it?
All trains and stations are no smoking areas.
Right, we're going now.
Do not smoke until you have left the station premises.
It means on the station and like around it, sort of thing. Don't you ever start doing that, I tell you now.
What?
Smoking. Or drinking.
Why?
Because I said so, that's why. Right,
Drink it.
yeah.
I like to drink.
Not your drink. Alcohol.
Huh?
Waste of bloody money. Like, I'd rather buy an Xbox game than waste money on alcohol.
The next train to arrive at platform 7B
We're going now.
will be the 1744 transport
Oh, it's
for
cold.
Wales.
Right, say bye-bye.
Service to
Bye.
Swansea.